Welcome to Learn Deeper. In this video, we are going to see what is statements in Python. A statement in Python is an instruction that the Python interpreter can execute. There are different types of statements in Python language, as assignment statements, conditional statements, and looping statements. I know you are not understanding anything, right? So let me give a real life example. Like your father says to study well, and you are the interpreter, which is to execute that, right? Simple thing. Assignment statement stores values in variables. Example, we have a name, or let me have a, okay, we have a name and a Python. See, name is a variable which are we are giving to the address, which is saving the data Python string. Okay, and age is the same address name which we are having. See, just imagine if instead of google.com we will have that IP address, which is something like 4 digit, right? Can you remember like that for every web applications? No, right? That's why we are having this, which is stored in DNS servers, right? So it's same thing applicable over here. You are giving a name to the address, which is stored in Python string and 30 age, right? So next thing, conditional statements, which helps in taking the condition. Next is conditional statements, making makes decisions in code. Like if your age is above 18, you are an adult. If not, you are a minor, right? It helps taking the decisions. Looping statement, a repeating task. Like if you want to do a task repeatedly, we would use for loops, and we are also having infinity loop, which is while loop. Okay. Next thing, import statements include external models. Nothing but you are having a file name which is math.py. In it, you are having a function which is sqrt, which is square root of 16, right? So 16, it's an integer like parameter that we can give. So we are importing the math.py file from an external file. In it, we are having sqrt function. Execution handling statements handles errors safely. If you are having any error, but you don't want to stop the execution of your code, in that case, we would use this execution handling statements. Try. If you are using try and you are having an error, the exit part will be executed, not it will be nothing like stopped. Okay. So next thing we are having flow control statements, break, continue, pass, and return. Break we use in looping statements. Continue is also a looping statement. See, there is a big confusion with the pass and continue. Just imagine you are having a loop 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you are using continue in between, it will just gets the for loop to the next loop, like second one, right? But if you use pass, it will simply pass that if statement and executes the next one, like it will continue, right? So that's the main difference of continue and pass. Continue takes to you to the next loop. Pass takes to you to the next statement, right? So return we would use in functions to return something. So next thing is multi-line statement. Some statements are too long to fit on one line. Python allows breaking them into multiple lines. Like we are having this some arithmetic thing, right? We are simply multiplying or dividing. We can use using backslash. We can have a multiple line. It won't affect the like process of some of these all numbers. Next thing, using parentheses and square brackets. These thing you know, right? Next we are having using braces. So one, two, three. The next line we are having four and five. And that's it for today's section. Thank you so much, guys. And please subscribe, please. You're not subscribing to my channel. And click the bell icon and click the like button also. If you're having any doubt, don't hesitate to comment below. Definitely, I'm going to upload a video or reply back to your comment. Thank you.